now.
Living in San Diego is about to get more expensive as CBS 8 discovers insurance companies are hiking up rates well above the rate of inflation. Good evening, I'm Jesse Pagan. Carlo's off tonight.
I'm Marcella Lee. CBS 8 has received emails from viewers stunned by their new bills, and they're wondering why this is happening, especially since they've had no claims. Steve Price is working for you tonight to get answers. He joins us live now from Claremont to explain. Steve?
And you know, Marcella and Jesse, we have all seen prices lately going up. Everything is getting more expensive these days. But imagine opening your insurance bill and it's double, even triple what you paid just a year ago. Well, we talked to a San Diego man who saw his bill go up even higher than that.
I thought it was a typo.
Tony Obregon lives in a two-bedroom condo in Mission Valley.
These are normal deductibles,
Absolutely. Normal deductibles, no claims.
Here's his homeowner's insurance bill from 2023. He paid $383 a year. His bill for 2024 just arrived, and the cost this year, $2,108, an increase of more than 400%.
I was shocked. I couldn't believe it.
Turns out Tony's not alone. Working for you, we went through state documents and discovered several big insurance companies have applied for and been granted increases well above the rate of inflation.
The insurance industry is taking advantage of unique circumstances in the market today.
Carmen Balber with Consumer Watchdog says insurance companies are claiming inflation combined with the fear of major fires requires big rate hikes, but those have to be approved first by state leaders.
And they're threatening the Department of Insurance and politicians in Sacramento that they'll leave the state of California if they don't get what they want. The insurance commissioner in some instances is bending to that pressure, rushing through the rate increases that insurance companies are demanding without full review.
State Farm, which has the largest market share for homeowners insurance policies in California, sent CBS 8 a statement saying these rate changes are driven by increased costs and risk and are necessary to deliver on the promises the companies make every day to their customers. So how can you fight back? Experts say don't just accept your bill and pay it.
Consumers across the state are seeing rate hikes, and what consumers need to know is they do have the option to shop around.
That's what Tony did, and he's already found a lower rate.
With the cost of everything rising, and then on top of that, the insurance premiums doubling, tripling, quadrupling, it's too much for people.
And more bad news, this is not just limited to homeowners insurance. We took a look and saw several big insurance companies are also asking to raise car insurance rates 20% or more. In fact, it's gotten to the point, Jesse, where it used to be a bargain to bundle everything together when you went to an insurance company to get a discount. But now the experts are saying you might want to also try just shopping individually because you could get such a lower rate for car insurance in one spot and homeowners insurance in another spot that it would actually negate that and make it cheaper to have two separate policies. So we're all going to have to do a lot more work these days to save money.
Now, Steve, you mentioned companies are threatening to pull out of California. Have any of them actually followed through with that?
Jesse, a couple of very small companies have, just a handful of them, but those larger companies, several of them at this point are saying, we're just not going to sell any new policies, but they're still here. And Carmen thinks that that's kind of a trick on their part because they just make too much money here in California. They think they're just using this to pressure those state leaders into giving them what they want, which of course is those higher rates.
Seems like it might be time for Californians to talk with their dollars here. Steve Price for us live tonight.
Yeah.
Steve, thank you. Here at CBS 8, we want to help solve problems affecting you. If there's something you'd like us to look into, email us at workingforyou@cbs8.com.